Χαίρετε. What was the new word for house that we learned? Oikia. The old word was oikos. Remember, oikos refers to all the property of a person, while oikia is specifically the house on that property. And how did we say, I live in a house? In oikia oiko. Do you know what the city Philadelphia is referred to as? The city of brotherly love. And how do we say brother? Adelphos. So the rest of Philadelphia must mean love, and indeed the word philos means that which is loved, which can be used to mean friend. And philosophy or philosophia means love of knowledge. So let's say now, I have a friend. Έχω philos. The next phrase means, where does he or she live? Που oiki. One way to remember this is that when someone shouts poo, you have to ask where, so that you don't step in it. And how would we ask, where's the book? Που estin to biblion. Remember, the semicolon is used for a question mark in Greek. The word for but, or however, in ancient Greek is alla. It sounds a little like alius in Latin and else in English. Let's try to use this word now. First, let's say he lives in Greece. Entei eladi oiki. And let's add now, but I live in Italy. Alla entei Italia oiko. So altogether it's entei eladi oiki. Alla entei Italia oiko. Let's learn a new word now, which is a little difficult. Padiso, which means travel by foot, or usually walk. This ending, iso, is used to change other words into verbs, so we will see this often. And the rest of the word is paino, which we can see is very similar to venio in Latin, which is in the famous phrase, veni vidi vici. I came, I saw, I conquered. Let's use this word now to say, I walk a lot. Pola pathiso. Remember, the word poly is in the words polygamy and polytheistic. And for the story, we'll also need the preposition pros. When pros is followed by a noun in the accusative form, it means toward or to. This is in the word prosthesis, literally add to, but perhaps it's best to think of progress, moving toward, like in the following. Pros ton oikon pathiso. I walk to the house. So to review, what was the word meaning where? Poo. Because you have to ask where so you don't step on the poo. And how do we say toward or to? Pros. Okay, we're ready to go through this lesson's story now. Έχω philos, που oiki, entei poli oiki, alla entois agrois oiko. Pros ton oikon mu pathise, he oikia mikra estin, alla kale. Okay, I'm pretty sure you could understand this story, and we're well on our way to reading lots of ancient Greek. But here's a translation into English if there were some parts you didn't catch. I have a friend. Where does he live? He lives in the city, but I live in the countryside. He walks to my house. The house is small but beautiful.